we can see that how we can clone the object in a JavaScript. So first here we have object its property ID and name, and we print here. And next, if I want to clone this object in another object, first of all I create it is convert in a string using json.stringify, and that string will convert in a JSON using json.pass. So this is a old mechanism, but this way we can convert, means clone the actual object to another object. So we can also check out using run this file .cl. So that's it, we have actual objects with its property, and after cloning we can got all the its property in a cloning instance. So this way we can efficiently clone the object from the actual object. So that's it.